Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy right now in October. So in the past 24 hours, the market has been, cooling off a little bit, not as green as it was the past few days, but we're still in the green at around 0.18%. Our top gainers here in the past 24 hours are going to be Radical. So if we were looking at Radical right here, it is currently trading at around this $18.40 area. In the past 24 hours, it is up 93%. Just last night, this was trading at $9.53 or so, and it's been making a great move here in the past week or so, ever since it started trading at 357.4 million market cap right now. So this is just the beginning. Where will Radical take us? We'll have to wait and see, but definitely want to watch because it just started trading on here, and we're going to be watching it for the future. Now, obviously, our highest volume is going to be Bitcoin. Right behind it, we have Ethereum. So Bitcoin at 35.8 billion right there, Ethereum at 18.2. Bitcoin trading around this 54,000 area. It's down about 1% or so. Ethereum up about 1.5%, trading around this 3,600 area. We have Binance Coin up 1.8%. Cardano's up 4%. And some of these altcoins are starting to make a little bit of a move. Obviously, a lot of these coins are momentum plays. Some of them are not. But guys, what is something we always talk about on the channel? We talk about when these large cap coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum make large moves, which we've seen in the past few days. Then the mid cap and the low cap coins start to follow that same trend in the future. It might take a little bit, but they're going to follow that same pattern and start to blow up. And that's exactly what we're seeing here. I mean, look, Polkadot, 6.5%. Luna, up almost 12%. Avalanche, 8%. Algorand, 8%. Different coins are starting to move, now either on the upside or the downside. They're following that same pattern. They're just lagging a little bit behind these large cap coins. So guys, if you enjoy this type of content, let's get into it. But before we do, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video, and leave a comment below letting me know which crypto are you potentially buying in the month of October. So let's get into it. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Avalanche AVAX. So the reason we're talking about this one is because it is a momentum type situation. So we've been watching this one and playing it as a momentum coin for the past few months. Obviously, every time we see a dip, it's possibly a good opportunity for the ride on up. So here in the past 24 hours, we're up almost 8%, trading at $63.04. In the past week, we're down about 5% from highs of here over $82 at one point. In the past month, we're up 67.66%, and we've talked about it all the way from the low to the top, guys. So we've been following this one since August, and it's made some crazy moves here. In the past year, we're up 1,500%. It was trading at $4 last October, hit highs here in February at around $50 or so, pulled back down with the market consolidated, hit lows of under $10, and then skyrocketed on up all the way to $80 or so. So about a 700% gain from the end of July to the beginning of September or so. So 700% gain. That means if you invested $1,000 into Avalanche, it would be worth around $7,000, a little bit higher than $7,000 in a matter of about 2 months, which is just an insane return. I mean, you just got to scale that up. Let's say you invested $10,000, that would be close to 70 grand or so. These are big plays right there that are, made with these type of momentum. So these momentum plays are definitely popular right now. We saw it in Shiba Inu just a few days ago. We saw Shiba go up, 300% almost in a matter of a few days. And now obviously we're seeing it cool off once everybody starts to sell and take profits, which is a smart thing. Some people didn't do that with Doge and just kept on holding and holding and holding. And now Doge is, trading at 20 cents or so. So right now, Avalanche is at a 13.9 billion market cap. Volume is pretty much the same as usual. Typical hold time is only 4 days on this one. It's ranked the number 10 coin right now on the list. 73% buy, 27% sell. Avalanche describes itself as an open, programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So this coin, definitely a popular one. The market cap is getting, pretty high here at almost 14 billion, and it continues to rise on higher. How far can we go? Can we reach $100 per coin in the future? Definitely something we're going to be watching to see how it's going to play out, obviously, for the rest of the year. So coin that we're going to be watching to that watch list is Avalanche right here. Second altcoin is going to be Cardano, ADA, one of the most popular coins on this channel. Top 3 definitely up there with Ethereum, and Polygon. We love Cardano. So Cardano here is up about 4% in the past 24 hours, trading at $2.27. Now this one did make a huge pop in the past few months, cooling off lately, but we might see another rise on up higher soon. So in the past week, we're up 7.5%. Past month, we're down almost 10%. From highs here of about 280 at one point. Now, obviously, on the 1 year chart, we're up over 2,200%. I mean, last October, this coin was trading at 10 cents. So just imagine if you would have bought in, last year at 10 cents, loaded up on this one, you'd be making some huge gains, 2,000% plus. So we saw highs here in May at around 230, pulled back down with the whole market under $1 here in July actually, and then we skyrocketed on higher here. So over a 200% gain from the low to the top, just in a matter of about a month or so. So definitely Cardano is moving on higher. Market cap 72.8 billion right now. Volume 3.1 billion, which is around the same volume as usual. Typical hold time on this coin is 66 days. It is ranked the number 3 coin right now, right behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. Trading activity at 46% buy, 54% sell. Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol, called Outer Bros. Now that validates transactions without higher energy costs. Development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. This coin, guys, it's just insane. I mean, the market cap obviously is getting higher and higher, but that doesn't stop anything, because if you're looking at, Bitcoin just hit over 1 trillion market cap. Ethereum's at a 400 billion market cap. So, Cardano at 72 billion. It's still, small compared to some of these, bigger altcoins, but it's obviously getting up there. It gets gaining some momentum and some steam. So it's going to take a lot more, buy power, and more volume to push this coin higher. But it's definitely a possibility in the future that Cardano could be, the next Ethereum. So, you never know what's going to happen, especially if they continue to do great things as they are, in my opinion. Cardano could continue to move on higher and hit, 200 billion market cap plus in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. So definitely another one to watch on your watch list and see how it's going to perform in the future. Then we have our third altcoin, last but not least, Algo right here. Another one that's been making a nice move here in the past 24 hours, up about 10%, trading at $1.95. In the past week, this one's up actually almost 20%. Big move. In the past month, 52%. In the past year, 532%. Another coin that we started talking about here when it was trading at $1 or so. So we potentially 100% profit plus was made here for anybody that invested in it. Now this one was trading at 33 cents last October. We hit highs in February, consolidated here, even though the market continued to boom in April and May. Then we pulled back down all the way to lows of 70 cents, under 70 cents, and now we're obviously uptrending. This one's similar to Avalanche, with the market cap at around 11.9 billion right now. So very similar market cap. Volume is pretty similar as well. Typical hold time on this one is 46 days, ranked number 13. Trading activity is 59% buy, 41% sell currently. Now, Algorand is a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be simultaneously scalable, secure, and decentralized. It uses a consensus algorithm called pure proof of stake. How does all this work? Well, Algorand nodes reach consensus about what should appear in the blockchain through a process called PPOS, which uses a staking system to verify new transactions and produce new crypto tokens. Now, Algorand, network participants are able to stake some of their algo in exchange for the chance to be randomly selected to propose a new block of verified transactions. Now, the winner is awarded new algo coins, obviously. So something to keep in mind is PPOS systems like Algorand's are more efficient than proof of work blockchains like Bitcoin in terms of electricity consumption, because they don't rely on thousands of miners spending energy to solve cryptographic puzzles for the chance to win a block reward and earn transaction fees, which is obviously better for our environment, because you don't have to spend all this money to start mining it with these crazy computers that people are setting up. So Algorand, another one of these coins that's been very popular and could continue this momentum up into the end of 2021. So definitely want to be watching for the rest of the year to see how it's going to perform here at around this $2 range. So obviously, crypto market right now is very bullish, guys, and it's definitely something that we like to see. Let's take a quick look and see how the rest of the market is performing. So Dogecoin here, obviously making a little bit of a move on the downward trend here with Shiba. So it was getting that momentum and then, hit highs here of about 26 cents at one point, pulling back down now as Shiba continues to go down lower as well. Right now, we're at around a 32 billion market cap on, Dogecoin right here, but it's still, a meme coin in my opinion. Bitcoin, we have Bitcoin here down about 1% in the past 24 hours, trading at 54,000. We were at around 55,000 yesterday, but that is okay. Obviously, it has to cool off a little bit. We don't want it to be explosive, overbought, and then we see a huge crash. So nice and steady here, consolidation period, and hopefully an uptrend in the future. Right now, in the past week, we're up 23%. We destroyed that 1 trillion market cap once again. We're in the 1 trillion club, obviously. In the past month, obviously, we're up 15%, and then the past year, 400%. So even if you invested into Bitcoin last year, you'd be up 400%, which is insane gains. Obviously, $1,000 invested into Bitcoin would be $4,000 profit, which is great. 47% buy, 53% sell. Volume is a little bit lower than it was yesterday, but that is okay. Ethereum is up about 1.5% actually, which is obviously great. Trading around this 3,600 area. In the past week, we're up 20%. Past month, 4.5%, and then on the 1 year chart, 935%. So obviously, anybody that invested into Ethereum last year instead of Bitcoin made about 2 times more money than what Bitcoin holders did. Bitcoin 400%, Ethereum over 900%. So $1,000 will be worth over $9,000 profit right now with Ethereum. Now that is obviously something that nobody could have predicted, but Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin in the long term. But in the short term right now, Bitcoin is making a little bit of a more move. So market cap 426.3 billion, volume a little bit less than usual, like Bitcoin, pretty much same type of situation. Trading activity right now is 54% buy, 46% sell, and obviously we're still far away from that all-time high, about $800 away. But we've seen huge jumps here from about what 2,800 all the way to 3,600, which is about an $800 gain in a matter of a week. So in a week we could potentially be in at all-time highs. It's a realistic type thing that could happen, obviously, if we had some crazy news or just momentum happen. So anything is possible. We just have to wait and see what's going to happen. Obviously, is the market going to continue to go higher, or is it going to pull down a little bit and have a little bit of a cool off? Something that we're going to definitely watch and see how it's performing. But obviously we started October off with a bang, and it's looking very nice for us, very bullish. And as a crypto investor, we're all positive and very happy to see situations like this as all these altcoins are starting to ramp on up higher as well. So definitely something to be watching, guys. If you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're doing before you're investing your hard-earned money into the market. It's a high risk, high reward type situation. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.